Imagine a future where your best friend might be an AI. Intriguing, isn't it? The idea may seem far-fetched, even a bit dystopian. But consider this. Artificial intelligence is already deeply woven into the fabric of our everyday lives. It's the invisible hand that guides our online shopping, the silent whisper that suggests our next binge-worthy series, the unseen mind that maps out our daily commute. AI is not just a tool we use, it's an ever-present companion, always ready to assist, to entertain, to inform. Every time we ask Siri for the weather, every time Alexa plays our favorite song, we are interacting with AI. And these interactions are becoming increasingly human-like. Today's AI can understand our words, recognize our faces, even decode our emotions. It's not a stretch to say that AI is becoming more like us. Or perhaps we are becoming more like AI. But what does this mean for our future? Are we headed towards a world where AI is not just a tool, but a friend, a confidant, a partner? Imagine having an AI that knows you better than you know yourself. An AI that understands your moods, anticipates your needs, shares your interests. An AI that's always there for you, day or night, rain or shine. It's a fascinating thought, but it also raises a host of questions. What happens to our relationships with other humans? What does it mean to be human in a world where machines can mimic our thoughts, our feelings, our behaviors? How do we navigate a world where the line between human and AI becomes blurred? So here's the question we need to ponder. Could we be on the brink of a world where AI becomes so integrated into our lives that it's no longer distinguishable from human interaction? To understand where we're headed, it's important to look at how far we've come. We begin our journey in the mid-20th century with the birth of the term artificial intelligence. Coined in 1956 by John McCarthy, artificial intelligence was initially viewed as a concept, a possibility. It was a time when the world was just getting a taste of what computers could do, and the idea of machines thinking like humans was both fascinating and frightening. Fast forward to the 1980s, and AI had started to become reality. This was an era of expert systems, machines that could mimic the decision-making abilities of human experts. They were used in fields like medical diagnosis and stock trading. It was the first time we saw AI making real-world impact. Then came the dawn of the 21st century, and with it, the age of machine learning. The machines were no longer just mimicking human thought processes, they were learning from them. They were learning to recognize patterns, to understand language, to predict outcomes. It was the age of Google's search algorithms and IBM's Watson, the AI that won Jeopardy. But the journey doesn't stop there. In the last decade, we've seen the rise of deep learning. This is where machines are not just learning, but learning to learn. They're teaching themselves, improving with each interaction. It's the era of self-driving cars, AI-powered virtual assistants, and algorithms that can create art. Yet, we're still on the journey. Today, we're moving towards artificial general intelligence, machines that can understand or learn any intellectual task that a human being can. It's a future where AI isn't just a tool, but a collaborator, a partner. From simple machines to sophisticated AI, it's been quite a journey, and it's only going to get more interesting. We've seen the past, now it's time to delve into the future. Imagine a world where artificial intelligence becomes our co-pilot in this journey called life. A world where we can harness the power of AI to augment our capabilities, to push the boundaries of what we currently consider possible. Let's start with the potential impact of AI on our society. Picture AI as the unseen thread weaving its way through the fabric of our lives. It can be leveraged to predict and solve complex societal problems, like mapping out the spread of diseases or predicting natural disasters. AI has the potential to become a catalyst for social change, helping us make more informed decisions and creating a more equitable and inclusive society. Now let's consider the industries. From healthcare to finance, from education to entertainment, every industry stands to be revolutionized. In healthcare, AI could enable faster, more accurate diagnoses and personalized treatments. In finance, it could improve risk assessment and fraud detection. In education, it could provide customized learning experiences. And in entertainment, it could create immersive, interactive content that adapts to the viewer's preferences. On a personal level, AI could become an integral part of our daily lives. Think of a personal AI assistant that understands your behavior, anticipates your needs, and proactively helps you navigate your day. Your AI assistant could help you manage your time, make healthier choices, learn new skills, and even connect more deeply with the people in your life. But let's not forget, with this power comes great responsibility. As we embark on this journey, it's crucial to navigate the ethical implications of AI and ensure it is developed and used in a way that respects our values, rights, and freedoms. The future of AI is not a distant dream. It's a reality that's unfolding right before our eyes. The seeds have been sown, and now it's up to us to cultivate this technology, to guide its growth so that it benefits all of humanity. The possibilities are limitless as we stand on the threshold of an AI revolution. But like all powerful tools, AI has a darker side. Artificial intelligence, while remarkable in its potential, is not exempt from the universal law of power and responsibility. Its capabilities to learn, adapt, and even outperform humans in some areas can be a double-edged sword. With great power comes the potential for misuse and abuse. Consider this scenario. Autonomous weapons powered by AI. These are not just the stuff of science fiction anymore. They can make life or death decisions without human intervention. The question then becomes, can we trust machines to make ethical choices? Who is responsible if something goes wrong? Then, there's the issue of job displacement. AI systems are becoming so advanced that they can perform tasks previously thought to be achievable only by humans. While this can lead to increased efficiency and productivity, it also raises concerns about unemployment and income inequality. And let's not forget about the potential risks to privacy. With AI's ability to process vast amounts of data, it's possible for entities to use this technology to invade our personal lives in unprecedented ways. This raises questions about consent, security, and the boundaries of personal privacy. The rise of AI also brings about ethical dilemmas. For instance, consider AI systems that mimic human interaction. As these systems become more sophisticated, we may find ourselves in situations where it's hard to distinguish between human and AI. This blurring of lines could have profound implications on human identity and social interactions. To navigate these murky waters, we need regulations and safeguards. We need to establish clear guidelines on how AI can and cannot be used. We need to ensure that the development and deployment of AI are done in a way that respects human rights and promotes social good. However, regulation is a complex task. It requires a delicate balance between fostering innovation and preventing harm. It requires international collaboration and a deep understanding of AI and its potential impacts. It's not going to be easy, but it's a challenge we must face head-on. As we embrace AI, we must also address these challenges to ensure a safe and ethical future. Scene script: AI is not just about robots and algorithms, it's about you and me. The personal impact of artificial intelligence is already felt in our everyday lives. Imagine a world where your smart home system recognizes your mood from your voice and adjusts the lighting and music to suit your state of mind. Or a world where a virtual personal assistant anticipates your needs, schedules your appointments, and even suggests a perfect gift for your loved one's birthday. That's the world AI is crafting for us, a world of seamless convenience and personalized experiences. But it's not just about convenience. AI has the potential to revolutionize our health and fitness too. Imagine intelligent fitness apps that adapt your workout regimen in real time based on your performance and vital signs, or AI-powered health monitoring systems that can detect anomalies in your vitals, potentially catching health issues even before you feel the first symptom. AI is also transforming our learning experiences. Personalized learning is no longer a distant dream, but a reality we are stepping into. AI can analyze your learning patterns, strengths, and areas for improvement, and tailor your learning material accordingly. This could mean the difference between a struggling student and a thriving one. However, it's not all rosy. With AI's deep involvement in our lives comes concerns about privacy and security. When AI systems know so much about us, who's to say this information won't be misused? And what about job displacement? As AI becomes more capable, it's inevitable that some jobs will be automated. How we navigate these challenges will shape our future relationship with AI. So the question is not whether AI will impact our lives, it already has. The question is how we'll adapt to these changes, and how we'll ensure that the benefits of AI outweigh its drawbacks. As AI evolves, so does our relationship with it. The future of AI is here, and it's time to embrace it. As we stand at the precipice of a new era, it's crucial that we understand how to adapt to this paradigm shift in technology. For individuals, embracing AI is all about education and awareness. We need to stay informed about the latest advancements and understand how they can affect our lives. This is not about becoming tech experts, but rather about becoming tech literate. It's about understanding the basic principles and applications of AI so we can make informed decisions and use these tools to our advantage. In the business world, AI is no longer a luxury but a necessity. Companies need to integrate AI into their operations to stay competitive. This could mean using AI for data analysis, customer service, or even product development. It's also essential for businesses to invest in AI training for their employees. This not only prepares the workforce for the AI revolution, but also opens up new opportunities for growth and innovation. But perhaps the most significant change will occur at the societal level. As a society, we need to ensure that AI is used responsibly and ethically. This involves creating laws and regulations that protect individuals' rights and privacy. It also means fostering a culture of transparency around AI, where companies are held accountable for their AI systems' decisions and actions. And finally, we must remember that embracing AI doesn't mean blindly accepting everything it brings. It's about questioning, challenging, and shaping the AI future we want to see. So how can we start? By educating ourselves, by advocating for responsible AI use, by integrating AI into our lives and businesses in meaningful ways, and by always asking the hard questions. Remember, AI is just a tool. It's neither inherently good nor bad. It's how we use it and what we do with it that truly matters. The AI future is here, and how we navigate it is up to us. Today, we've taken a journey through the world of AI, from its past to its future. A journey that started with a simple question: what if machines could think? This question sparked a revolution that has been transforming the world for over half a century. We've traced the timeline of artificial intelligence from its humble beginnings in the mid-20th century to its current, ever-evolving state. We've seen how AI has grown from a fascinating concept to a cutting-edge technology that's already making our lives easier and more efficient. We've peered into the future of AI, a future that's filled with potential and promise. We've glimpsed a world where AI could become our partners, enhancing our abilities and helping us solve some of our biggest challenges. We've also seen how AI could potentially reshape entire industries, from healthcare to transportation. Yet we've also acknowledged the potential risks that come with this powerful technology. We've discussed the ethical dilemmas and the need for regulation to ensure AI is used responsibly and for the benefit of all. We've touched on the potential for job displacement and the need for society to adapt and evolve alongside AI. We've explored the personal impact of AI, how it's already changing the way we live, work, and play. We've seen how AI can make our lives easier, but also how it can challenge us to continually learn and adapt. Embracing the AI future is not just about understanding the technology, but also about understanding its implications on our lives and society. It's about being prepared for the changes it will bring, and being ready to seize the opportunities it will create. As we step into the future, one thing is certain: AI is here to stay, and it's going to change the world as we know.